Stotra, a coffee table book, Rabbi Rashi Foundation, in association with Gurukulam, the Shloka Learning Center, Shri Mera, our art curator, having Dr. Sheetal Nair as our author, and proud to have Flipping Pages as a publishing house. The CEO of Flipping Pages, Ms. Tushti Bhatia, is with us on our show today. Stotra, a coffee table book, is being published on the selected artwork done by the kids of Gurukulam. So how are you doing, Tushti, today?
Good, ma'am. How are you? Good
I'm
morning.
Good morning. Tell us more about yourself and your experience in the field of publishing and what made you choose this career. Let's hear your story.
I'm a publicist for authors and I've been doing their PR from the last 6 years. In June 2019, I started off Flipping Pages Publishing House. And the only motive was to open this house was that, I really wanted to work with authors who have a story to tell, who have a story to share with the world. And that was the only reason why I started this publishing house. And it's been almost 1 year and the journey has been amazing. I started off way early as a book reviewer, and the only thing that encouraged me to come into this business was the love of books. And I always wanted to be around books, and that is the only reason why I started off this venture. I realized the problem in the very starting, and I work towards it to create a solution so that the authors can get good exposure, and so that their stories can reach out to the audience.
Srishti, what is it that inspires you, and when you speak to the writers, what do you think the privilege they have in today's world? Let's hear on that.
Ma'am, the fact that there are not very good books to share with the world, every writer that comes across today and whatever they write, they don't have a story to tell. The fact that inspires me is that I really want the people to read good books and good stories, and that inspires me every day. The fact that I meet all sorts of people from age 8 to age 60, and every person has a story to share, and that was the only inspiration that I get from my work. If we talk about 20 years back, authors could only publish paperback. They never had any sort of medium. Now they have ebooks, they have Kindle book, they have audiobooks. So the writers who write now, they have a huge audience to cover, and they have ample of mediums from which they can reach out to the readers. People wanted to publish their book, they had to cover a lot of points, and they had to reach out to a literary agent, and there was a lot of process involved. But in today's age, you can actually publish a book in by just one click. All you have to do is just to upload your book, and you can easily publish your book in exact 48 hours. And the mediums that are available to you in this modern era is really something that you'd be surprised to see. What you can do is you can just go out and publish your book in just easy, quick 3 steps.
Coming
That is.
to Flipping Pages, what are the kind of services you are offering, being a publishing house and you yourself is a writer, publicist? So let's hear on that.
We are a traditional publishing house, and apart from that, we are into self-publishing also. And since our USP is marketing, we have been offering PR services from the last 6 years also. So usually other publishing houses, they just publish the book, but we at Flipping Pages, we take care of your editing, we take care of everything from A to Z, and we offer all the services that can help you out reach readers in a vast manner.
Tushti, coming to Stotra, what are your thoughts on Stotra and why did you choose Stotra, the coffee table book? Let's hear on that.
Ma'am, the fact that children, start so early these days, the fact that the paintings that they've made is so amazing, and the fact that they have a vision. When we were of their age, we actually had nothing to do, and the fact that children have been starting so early and they've been doing such amazing work actually made me, connect to this project really well. And that is the reason why I chose to publish this book. And it's very close to my heart, and the work that children have done is amazing, and it's lovely to be a part of this venture. And actually, thanks to you guys and Divya ma'am and Sheetal sir, thank you for making me a part of this. I'm really honored.
Adding to what Tushti just said, Stotra is a coffee table book, the exclusive artwork done by the Gurukulam kids the artwork is based on the shlokas. So each child has made an artwork, traditional artwork, based on the shloka they feel close to. And it's a very, very exclusive, very, very beautiful artwork, coffee table book, Stotra. Look forward for its launch in January. And we have Dr. Sheetal Nair as the author. We have Divya Dorai Swami as the Shlokapreneur, who's running the Gurukulam School for Kids, the Shloka Learning Center, and have Shri Mehra Sir, who's the art painter, a very famous celebrity artist who has agreed to curate this book. And we are very thankful to Tushti for actually giving an extended hand to publish this book and then market it further. Thank you so much, Tushti. It was wonderful talking to you.
Thank you for making me a part of this, ma'am. Thank you so much, Sheetal sir, Shri Mehra sir, and Divya ma'am. Thank you so much. It wouldn't have been possible without Sheetal sir, so cheers to him.
Totally agree with her. It wouldn't have been possible without Dr. Sheetal Nair. Look forward to the great launch, and there's a lot more coming up, guys. Be connected, follow us on our YouTube channel. Thank you so much, and subscribe to us.